Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.2.5 Change on Request. This criterion is designed to ensure that users have control over changes in content that is automatically updated. This means that content that changes or updates automatically should be made available to users for them to control the updates. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Provide a pause or stop button for auto-updated content. One of the most common ways to provide control over auto-updated content is to provide a pause or stop button for the auto-updated content. For example, if a news ticker updates with news stories, provide a pause button that allows users to pause the auto-updating of the news ticker. In this example, a pause button is provided for a news ticker that updates with news stories, which allows users to pause the auto-updating of the news ticker. Provide a mechanism to turn off auto-updated content. Another way to provide control over auto-updated content is to provide a mechanism to turn off auto-updated content altogether. For example, if a stock ticker updates with new stock prices, provide a button or link that allows users to turn off the auto-updating of the stock ticker. In this example, a button is provided to turn off the auto-updating of a stock ticker that updates with new stock prices. Provide a mechanism to customize auto-updated content. Finally, it may be useful to provide users with a mechanism to customize auto-updated content. For example, if a weather widget updates with the latest weather conditions, provide a button or link that allows users to customize the location or type of weather information displayed. In this example, a button is provided to customize a weather widget that updates with the latest weather conditions. By following these guidelines, websites can ensure that users have control over changes in content that is automatically updated and meet CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.2.5 Change on Request.